Where this ring, as a sign of my love and fidelity, I embrace all that you are and hope to be. I give myself to you in faith, hope, and love. All the days of my life, from this day on, you will never be alone. This is my commitment. Kapit ulit ng kamay. Okay po, samahan po ninyo ako ating pong panalangin si Jonathan at si Lenny. Sige. Kaya nyo pang itaas ang kamay. Dapat sa kanila po. Dapat sa kanila. Yan. Let us pray. Lord, eternal God, Creator, shall humankind you propose the grace of the everlasting life. Send your blessing upon Jonathan and Ledeline, whom you bless in your name, that they may surely perform, keep the bond covenant made within them, and live according to your law. Look graciously upon them, that they may love, honor, and cherish Sabbath, and to live together in faithfulness, in patience, and wisdom, that their home may be haven blessing,